Good morning. This is a live demo of the running of Easy Test student interactive response system, for which we first have to make a list of participants like this. This is Mr. N. Suri, Naresh Chawla, Guru Kiran, Rahul, Pankaj, Vikash. We given this keeper ID numbers. You can give as many columns as you want with roll numbers, department, course, subject, or whatever you want. We will save this file, close it. We will open the Easy Test. We will import this file from the Excel format from the desktop. That's it. As you can see now, all the names, the keeper IDs have come over there. The individual keypads, as you can see, are over here. They are all numbered 1 to 6. These numbers cannot be changed by anyone except the administrator. We will close the file, save this, and we go into the full screen automatically using the teacher remote, which brings more of interaction, more of command over the students in a class. As you can see now, the first question is, in which year was Information Warfare School inaugurated? We're given 6 options over there. If you feel the correct answer 2009, press 1, 2010, press 2, and so on and so forth. I'll press a button on my teacher remote. We'll get the complete list of students over here also. I can go back to my PC and change. I want to know what option is being exercised by which student. So now we'll start this. To make it more interactive, we're given a timer of 30 seconds also. I'm going to start the slide. The slide has started now, as you can see, and we're going to start voting. As you can see over here, all 6 have voted. To save time, I'll stop the file. This is it. Which is the correct answer, students? I'll press a button on my teacher remote again. As you can see, so 2 people or 33% have voted for option 4, which is correct. The rest are wrong. We'll quickly go to the next slide. Where is High Altitude Warfare School located? I'll start the slide. I'm voting. As you can see over there, in between I'm just going to press this, and who all have voted. As you can see, everyone has voted. I will remove that from my remote. I'll stop the slide. This is it. Which is the correct one? This is it. So none of the students could answer correctly. They were all wrong. Go to the third one. I'll again start it quickly. This is it. The slide has started, so please reply. All 6 have voted. I'll stop the slide, which is the correct one. This is it. So 4 people or so many percentage of people have voted correctly. Option 2, rest are wrong. Now, what is the situation as of now? Where do the students stand? Who are the first 3? I'll just press a button over here. We'll come to know that the first is number 1, slide number 1. I can get the names also. He's got 8 points. The rest of them got one each point, second and third. Just to make it more interactive, so that more enthusiasm is there in the class. The next one, the same thing. I'll just skip these slides to show you more options. Again the same thing. And now this is in a way you can say official cheating is allowed. The moment someone presses his option, the bar chart will come over there, so that if you do not know the answer, you can follow what the entire class is doing. I'll just start the slide, as you can see now, and you can also revise your answers. So everyone is answering 3, someone answering 5. Someone is trying to change his answer, he has been able to change it. This is it. I'll stop the slide. Which is the correct one? This is it. So it says the first option correct, so 3 people, 50% voted correctly, rest have been wrong. It's just an option over there. To give you one more very good advantage of this system, I'll just show you. You can get the exactly mean of the entire thing, the rating, you get the rating, you can get the complete feedback. I'll just start the slide. We need to rate over there that how is the system. All 6 people have voted. I'll stop the slide. As you can see, I've got mean of 2.83, meaning 1 person voted for 1. So 1 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 6 divided by 6. This is the mean. You don't need to open Excel formats. You don't need to carry sheets and then count and all that. You open to all sorts of mischief or whatever. I'll escape. I'll stop this thing over there. Now for the results. इसको बस करते हैं?
जी।
सीधा करते हैं. Now for the results. The correct rate question wise. As you can see, we are going to get how many people answer correctly by the color matching. In this question number 3, 4 people answer correctly and 2 people answered wrongly. But teacher is more interested if the students are wrong. What are they selecting? How wrong they are? Like in this is the classic case. In this question, 2 people selected option 4 which is right, 1 selected option 1 which is wrong, 1 selected option 2 which is wrong, and so on and so forth. I can get pie charts, vertical charts, horizontal charts, only numbers, pie charts, numbers, as well as percentage, whatever you want. Now to create some enthusiasm in the class, you all must have seen KBC. We will have that, the who's come first, second, fourth. As you can see over here, keeper number 1 is first, number 3 is second, but for the third question there is going to be a tie. I'm going to put in the speed over there, like they do in KBC, fastest finger first. The ranking has changed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can get the names also over here. What's the name, the roll numbers, department. Let's have a clap for Mr. M. Suri. He's come first. These are the timings over there. This is just to create enthusiasm in the class. Now for some serious reporting. It's a result by participants. This is it. It gives you date, time, 5 questions. Keeper number 1, Mr. N. Suri. Correct count 3. Score 13. Ranking first. As you can see this is the responses which was given by Mr. Suri. What was the options available? You can also have that over there. And this is the scoring. I have given negative marks also. We got the results of each and every student in the entire Excel format. It's very good. You can take it out, print out, sign and give it to students then and there. And to get at a glance the entire result of the class. This is it. Keypad numbers, ranking. Green is correct, red is wrong. This is the question mark questions. This is the option which chosen by the different students. This is the ranking over there. This is the total score over there. You can also get the entire reports question wise, that which question got how much of correct answers. In the first one, 33% were correct. Second one, there was no one correct. You can always call the students or the teacher, then what is the teaching or how much have they learned. So the question wise also. And you can get data, other things and all that over and all.